Have you ever downloaded a black PNG image and thought, this is perfect, but I really need it in white? Don't worry, you don't need a Photoshop or a complicated design app for this. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change a black PNG to white using just Canva on your phone. Stick around until the end because I will also share a free trick to save your image with a transparent background, even if you don't have Canva Pro. First, open the Canva app. Tap the purple plus button and create a blank new design. It doesn't matter what size you choose. I like using an Instagram square because it's easy to work with. Now, I like to change the background color to gray for now. This will help you clearly see your PNG once it turns white. Tap the plus icon, go to Uploads and select your black PNG. Drag it to the center and resize it so it's nice and big. Right now, it's still black, but in just a moment, you will see the color flip to white with just a few taps. Tap on the PNG to select it. Now, look at the menu at the bottom of your screen and swipe left until you see Effects. This is where Canva keeps all its cool editing tools. Inside Effects, find and tap Duotone. Duotone lets you recolor black or dark PNGs by changing their highlights and shadows. Select any preset like Classic. We will customize it in the next step. See those two color boxes labeled highlights and shadows. Tap each one and choose white, and just like that, your PNG is now white. Pretty cool, right? To save your image, tap Download in the top right corner. If you want a transparent background, you will notice that Canva only allows this with Pro accounts. But don't worry, I promise you a free trick. Just download your design with the gray background and go to Remove.bg, which is a free website to erase the background, or use Photopea, which works like Photoshop, but it's free. And one pro tip, before saving, test your PNG by switching the background to black or another color. This ensures your new white PNG looks clean and sharp. And that's it. You have just learned how to change a PNG from black to white in color, all from your phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and let me know in the comments what other Canva tricks you want to cover.